4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs! Destruction!
Beware.
Get those billows pumping! Destruction! Destruction!
Beware. Beware.
Goes in 15.
Call in more security!
Blue's close.
Yeah, pop it. You got 9 seconds.
Beware.
Taking the guy in the middle.
Quick, get it under control!
Turn up the heat,
We have it under
boys.
control.
We'll sweat 'em out!
Bring that slag a little closer. There you go.
Beware.
I interrupted
Bring your-
Pyroclasm. I was waiting a second.
Bring your pile. Bring the pile over. Ready to
gone.
switch. Switch primal.
Beware. Beware.
Nice. Bring it up a little bit on the way over. Hemming.
Beware.
It's about to pop. Primal.
Beware.
Dave, Trank.
I actually used it.
Thank you, Amanda.
Beware.
Oh,
Next slag.
Pathetic!
Beware.
It's gonna pop. Primal. Angelic Amp.
Beware.
Cleanup ads. Watch Dead's health.
Beware.
Yeah, help out. Kill.
Icy Vampiric.
Have 4 security guards, so kill them. I'm moving them out.
Beware.
Alright, watch the slag. It's gonna pop.
I have
And
Trank in
I'm running
3
primal.
seconds.
Beware.
Get ready.
Okay, good.
Tranking.
Blast in 5.
Beware. Beware.
Good. Burn primal. Nice. Dave Trank. Oh, you already did it.
Yeah.
Beware.
Hemming. Primal.
Beware.
Drinking. Can someone dispel that? Thanks.
Beware.
Alright, clean up ads. You not go? There you go.
Yeah, you went.
Alright, clean up ads. Watch for melt debuffs.
I'm focused. If that means anything at this stage.
Amanda revival. Yeah, focus doesn't matter.
DPS, get behind him. Come on now.
Alright, everyone back.
Spread out. Food is down. Icy's down.
Beware.
I need to pull him faster.
Alright, moving.
Angelic Amp.
Beware.
Single target him, burn him. Watch your melts.
Right, take him.
Beware.
I'm barking that.
War rally.
Okay, we're good.
Beware.
Don't forget you still got hero.
No, it's been popped.
We used it.
Oh yeah, that's why.
Cool down a bit.
Give Buddha hero.
Beware.
Slow down. We're good.
Use personals for this blast.
Beware.
Stones. Dead, tell us if you need cooldown, man.
I'm okay for
I'm so
You need to. I got him in 7 seconds.
I got guidance.
I got Trank.
Guidance.
I popped it.
Yeah, Trank.
Tranking.
Oh, keep that up.
Shit!
Hemming. Kite that mofo.
Yes!
Yeah.
Second full.
Yeah.
here. You see, we just met less people.
Oh my god.
Yes.
DPS was amazing.
That's a bitch to heal.
That is it. Well, 3 healing it is tough.
These intruders down!
Dead?
Oh, that
Yeah, man, we got it.
mine.
Oh,
Yes.
crossbow. Sweet.
I see a crossbow.
It's mine.
No trinket, man. Aw,
No,
man.
no trinket. I'm disappointed too, man.
We killed it?
Yeah, we killed it.
You guys are gay.